Imagine stepping onto a plane with no pilot in sight, no human in the cockpit, just an intelligent AI system controlling every movement. Welcome to the future of airports, where flying without pilots is not science fiction, but reality. For decades, airports have relied on human pilots, air traffic controllers, and ground staff to keep flights moving. But as air travel becomes faster, busier, and more complex, AI is stepping in, taking control of everything. Today's air travel is far from perfect. Flight delays cost airlines billions each year. Human error in air traffic control can cause dangerous near misses. And with pilot shortages growing worldwide, the future of aviation is facing turbulence. In the future, AI will run entire airports. Air traffic control will be powered by advanced neural networks, monitoring every aircraft in real time. Planes will be fully autonomous, using AI navigation systems to take off, fly, and land without human intervention. Boarding will be seamless. Facial recognition gates will replace passports. AI will scan passengers for security in seconds. And luggage will be tracked by intelligent robotic systems. With AI running the skies, flights will become faster, safer, and cheaper. No more delays caused by human fatigue or weather misjudgments. Airports will be cleaner, quieter, and more efficient. The average passenger could reach any destination in record time. But flying without pilots comes with risks. Cybersecurity threats could target AI systems. A single software glitch could cause chaos. And ethical questions arise. Who is responsible if an AI-controlled flight goes wrong? The machine, the programmer, or the airline? By 2040, AI could control over 90% of global air traffic. The skies may never look the same again. Are you ready to trust your life to a machine at 35,000 feet? The future of travel is closer than you think.
The year is 2042. A soft chime echoes through the terminal. It's time to board. You walk down the jet bridge, your ticket a blink of your eye. As you step onto the aircraft, you glance at the cockpit. Empty seats, dark controls. A calm, synthesized voice welcomes you aboard, promising a safe journey. This is not science fiction. This is the new reality of air travel. You find your seat, the cabin bathed in gentle light. Outside, autonomous vehicles refuel, load luggage, and inspect the plane with silent precision. No shouting, no chaos, just a dance of machines. You wonder, who's really in control, a single vast intelligence or a network of minds? For over a century we trusted human pilots, their training, their calm in crisis. Now that connection is gone, replaced by something faster, more efficient, and perhaps safer, but it's also unknown. The engines hum, the plane pushes back, taxis with eerie grace. No captain's announcement, just the quiet hum of systems coming to life. You are a passenger on a ghost ship sailing into the sky. Your faith is the only pilot you have. Are you ready to trust the machine? The journey is just beginning. The leap is yours to take. Welcome to the future of flight. To see where we're going, we must remember how we flew. Airports were once bustling with people. Every role, from check-in to cockpit, filled by humans. The check-in agent tagged your bags, set the tone for your trip. Air traffic controllers, unseen in their towers, guided planes through crowded skies. Their focus and calm kept thousands safe. On the ground, baggage handlers, mechanics, and engineers worked tirelessly. They inspected engines, checked landing gear, and kept planes airworthy. Pilots were the masters of the machine, the final authority in the sky. Cabin crew were our guides and protectors at 30,000 feet. Every step of the journey relied on human skill and trust. It was a system built on communication and experience, but it was also flawed, prone to error, delay, and fatigue. Still, it was our system, and we believed in it. The human touch defined the golden age of flight. Now that era is ending. The foundation is shifting. The future will be built on something else. Are we ready to let go? The human-powered system served us well, but it's straining under modern demands. Today, flying often means long lines, unexplained delays, and last-minute cancellations. These aren't just annoyances. They're signs of a system buckling under complexity. Airports are more crowded than ever, pushing every role to its limits. Air traffic controllers juggle more planes, increasing the risk of error. There's a shortage of pilots, mechanics, and controllers, causing ripple effects across the network. Human error remains a leading cause of aviation incidents. Fatigue, distraction, and miscommunication can have catastrophic consequences. Economic pressures are immense. Airlines operate on razor-thin margins. Delays and cancellations cost airlines thousands, fueling the search for efficiency. The old way is no longer sustainable. We're pushing the limits of what people can safely manage. The system is crying out for change. We need a new approach, one that reduces errors, optimizes schedules, and cuts costs. The answer may not be more people, but a new kind of intelligence. The age of human flight is reaching its limits. The next leap is coming. Will we be ready to embrace it? The cracks are widening. Change is inevitable. The solution may be a complete paradigm shift. AI in command. Imagine an airport and airspace managed by a single intelligent system. This AI would oversee every operation, making real-time decisions with unmatched coordination. It would control aircraft in the sky and on the ground, optimizing routes and schedules. No more near misses or runway congestion, just seamless mathematical order. Autonomous vehicles and drones would handle baggage, refueling, and maintenance. Planes would be piloted by algorithms, reacting instantly to any emergency. The cockpit becomes a server room, the pilot, pure code. The entire network would learn from every flight, growing smarter and safer. Human error fades, precision and efficiency take over. The future of flight is digital. For passengers, AI transforms flying into a seamless experience. Your journey begins at home. AI syncs with your calendar and self-driving car, telling you exactly when to leave. At the airport, biometric scanners identify you instantly. No lines, no fumbling for documents. Security is swift and invisible, with sensors screening you as you walk. Smart displays guide you to your gate, suggesting shops or coffee based on your preferences. Boarding is automatic. The gate recognizes you and opens as you approach. Your bag travels in an automated pod tracked in real time. Lost luggage becomes history. Every step is personalized, efficient, and stress-free. Technology handles the details. You simply move from home to seat. The tedious parts of travel disappear. The passenger experience is reimagined. AI promises profound benefits: safety, time, and cost. An AI pilot never tires, never panics, and reacts in microseconds. Emergencies are handled instantly, with data from thousands of sensors. Every AI pilot is networked, sharing lessons and making the system smarter with every flight. Delays vanish as AI optimizes flight paths and ground operations. Planes spend more time flying, less time idle. Pilotless planes cut costs. No salaries, no layovers, less fuel. Predictive maintenance prevents costly repairs and disruptions. Fewer delays mean less compensation paid out. Savings can make air travel cheaper and more accessible. The economic case for AI flight is compelling. But with promise comes peril. A single AI system is a massive cybersecurity target. Hacks could ground fleets or worse. Glitches or bugs could have catastrophic consequences. The physical infrastructure, satellites, data centers, must be protected from disaster. Over-reliance on AI risks eroding human skills. If the system fails, who takes over? Our powerful new system could also be our most fragile. Beyond technical risks, ethical dilemmas loom. If an AI must choose between saving passengers or people on the ground, who decides the programming? Accountability blurs. If an AI crashes, who is responsible? Machines lack morals, they follow logic, not conscience. We're encoding our values into code, crossing a new frontier. Are we ready for a world where the computer did it is the final answer? The future of aviation is arriving fast. AI-managed airports and pilotless planes are being tested today. Cargo flights will go autonomous first, then passenger flights. The transition will be gradual. AI as co-pilot, then full autonomy. The human touch will fade from the cockpit. But this is more than a technical shift, it's a test of trust. We must learn to place our faith in algorithms, not people. Transparency, oversight, and open debate are essential. When the boarding call comes, will you step onto a plane with no pilot? Will you trust the machine with your life? The leap into the unknown sky is yours to take.
Which video do you want on my channel next? Just comment. To see that video, just subscribe to my channel.